They say you are not good enough. You do not deserve to be part of us. Hauna chaunoziva. Every time paunosvika, things get meshed. Usarwa believe what they're saying about you. You need to consider something. Take note of something. I'll see who's saying that. They are the ones saying you cannot feed. Not you. Before you shed those tears, before you try to commit suicide, ask yourself this question. How do they know when they are not me? How can they say something like this about me when they are not me? Nobody should define you. Only you can define yourself. Apana noziva, you better than you know yourself. Never allow mashoko awakudzikisire. If you allow it, they will crush you, destroy you, harm you. Vanokuita chikorobo. Do not allow anyone to define you, to dictate how you should operate your life. You are your own. You got your own purpose. You run your own race. Vasakuvundusira, vasakutyisa. Whatever they say about you is never true. Inongore speculation they have about you. Yasvika nguva to show them that you can be more than what they label you. Yasvika nguva to show the world that you are yourself. Enoti zviri kusaswa nevanhu. Vanhu vanotaura zvavanoda, zvavasingazive pamusoro pako. Saka iwe wobvuma here kuva affected nesasi ravo. Worega kuenda kumashops cause unoti vanozoti ndakapfupika, vanozoti ndakadhafuka. Ukacha you'll be giving in or accepting what they're saying about you. Noise yako must be about their noise so that chiro chavataura will not affect you.